In this Autodesk Maya tutorial, we're going to reconnect a missing texture from an imported FBX animation that we downloaded from Mixamo. This can happen with OBJs and FBXs. Sometimes textures get misplaced or material files aren't there. So here I have this duck character and it dances and it's a lot of fun, but I want to be able to have the textures that go along with it. Select the character that's missing the texture in Maya, right click, assign him a new material, click New Material. We can use the new Autodesk OpenPBR surface. Then under Color, click these little checker box, select File. Then under Image Name, select the folder. Then make sure that the texture that you need to attach is in your Sourceimages folder. Select that texture, here is this duck texture, and then open. As long as you have your material preview on for textures, you should see it. This is right here. You can press textured or the number 6 on your keyboard. Notice how this is really shiny though. So if I up-click right here, then if I change the incidence of refraction or the IOR in the OpenPBR surface to 1, now it doesn't look so shiny. And if I let my duck dance, it's ready to go with its reconnected texture in Maya. So hopefully you're able to reconnect missing textures to Mixamo animations in Autodesk Maya. Happy 3D modeling.